Today we're doing boiled shrimp. So let's get started. So for our boiled shrimp, we are going to need 6 pounds of shrimp, 4 lemons in half, and our boiling seasoning. I use Tony Chachere's. You can use whichever you prefer. And before you start hating, yes, I know there is no potatoes and corn. These shrimp are being boiled to be used in an event. So basically it's going to be for shrimp cocktails. So let's get everything set up so we can get to boiling. So we've got our pot set up. It's a 20-quart pot for what we need. This will be fine. So let me get this pot heated up, and as you can see, we've got a couple of visitors in the backyard. So let me get my pot boiling and my burner lit, and we'll be right back. Got our pot filled about 3/4 of the way up. Our burner is lit, so now we are going to turn this on high and let it heat up. And we'll be back once it's boiling. So our water's at a rolling boil. So we are going to add our lemons. Then we are going to add a couple of cups of our seasoning for boil. Add that in. And then we're going to turn up the heat again and bring it back up to a boil, and then add our shrimp. So we'll be right back. So our water has come back up to a rolling boil. So now we are going to add in our shrimp. And then we're going to kick it back up on high and wait for it to come to a boil, and then we're going to turn it off and let it soak for about 15 minutes. So we'll be back in a little bit. So I've turned off the shrimp because it's come up to a rolling boil. So now we are going to lid them up and let them soak for about 15 minutes. So we'll be back in a little bit. So these have been soaking for 15 minutes. So let's go ahead and get them out of the pot. And then we're going to get these into an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Alright, that looks like that's all of them. So let's get these in a bath and cool them down. So we'll be right back. So these have been in an ice bath for about 5 minutes. So now we're going to go ahead and take them out and let them drain. Oop, just knocked over the camera. And then once they've drained for a few minutes, then we'll get them plated up. So we'll be right back. All right, here our shrimp are all plated up and ready to serve. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And also visit my website at fatboycooking.com. And until next time, enjoy.